Ever noticed how quickly our toddlers soak up every word and action around them like little sponges? It made me realize the importance of nurturing their minds with positivity early on. That's when I decided to take action and introduce them to the world of positive affirmations. The ABCs of Affirmations starring the Hiccups became our go-to. This book isn't just any children's story. It's a powerful tool filled with joyful illustrations and affirmations that empower and inspire resilience, happiness, and confidence in our kids from the start. Each page turned is a step towards building a foundation of positive self-belief that they'll carry for life. Embark on this transformative journey with your child. Get your copy now. Trust me, it will level up your